welcome back to our channel. So for today's topic, I'm going to teach you how to make a chicken breast salad. So the first step that we're going to do is to mix. I like to prepare our sauce first. So actually you can choose between making your own sauce, but there's an easy way of just making one. I will show you later, but what I'm going to teach you is to make your own sauce like this. So I prefer to use lime. So I just squeeze this. I usually use just one big size of lime, and I'm going to squeeze it out. I'm going to squeeze the juice out of it. So when you squeeze it, it looks like this. So I like also this pulp. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scrape it like this. But if you have like juicer, manual juicer, it's easier. But if you don't, you can do just something like this, like what I did. I'm going to include the pulp of the lime because I like it. But you can try it. If you don't like it, you can just delete it in the step or the procedure. But for me, I like the taste of it. So that's our lime juice. Now we're going to put one Now we're going to put 1 teaspoon of olive oil, like that, and I don't have balsamic vinegar. If you don't have balsamic vinegar, you can use also apple cider vinegar. So this is what I use, but actually balsamic vinegar is better. So I'm just gonna put 1 teaspoon of apple vinegar because the reason why I use lime instead of lemon is because of the apple vinegar is too strong. So I think when I use lime instead of lemon, it actually make the apple vinegar to soften a bit. And to neutralize the taste of the apple cider vinegar, I used to put some of honey. So I just make like 2 drops of honey like that. And then we're going to stir it and we're going to taste it. If it tastes suits your taste or not. It's perfect. For me, it's perfect. So I'm just going to add a dash of powdered black pepper, just a pinch, and then I'm gonna put some salt in it. I'm using iodized salt. And then we're going to mix it well until you cannot feel the salt at the bottom of our bowl. By the way, guys, I don't have a bigger bowl, so we need to improvise again this time. So let's set this aside. This is our sauce for our chicken breast salad. So I have here my square bowl because I want to, if I mix a lot of the veggies like the lettuce, the lettuce here in this country is so cheap, so you can buy a lot. So what I do with the lettuce, I just stir it like this. You can hear that it's too crunchy, so I just stir it like that. Or if you are in a hurry, you can chop it like in bite sizes. But for me, I love doing just like that. So I don't know what kind of lettuce is this, but this lettuce is so tasty, and it blends well with our lime. Yeah, because here it's very expensive. I mean, the lemon is too expensive. When you buy it in the market, it costs like around $1.50 for one big size of a lemon. But this one, it cost me like 5,000 or 1.5 dollars for a kilo. So just imagine, if you can improvise, it's better. I mean, the taste is just the same. But I'm telling you guys, balsamic vinegar is so amazing. It makes the salad more appetizing. So there you have our lettuce. Now I'm gonna combine it with I chop onions like this, and then I'm just gonna spread it like this using my bare hands. By the way, I wash my hands thoroughly before I do this. Anyway, I'm the only one who's gonna eat it. So there you are. And then our chopped tomatoes. Some people, they prefer to remove the seeds of the tomatoes, but for me, I don't even care about it. I mean, it's okay for me to have the seeds. because sometimes the taste of the seeds, it neutralizes also because I'm using apple cider vinegar instead of balsamic vinegar, so it neutralizes the taste of the strong taste of the apple cider vinegar. So there you have it, and we're just going to make a quick toast of this sauce. Toast it like this. Mix it well. I can smell the scent of the onions, and it gives so much flavor in our veggies. And then we can now put our sauce at the top. Next, we're going to set this aside. Hello guys, so this is my way of preparing the chicken breast. So first I put some black pepper, powdered black pepper, like this. So it should be, so you have to be generous when you're preparing the the chicken breast. So like this. And then we're going to put some salt in it. This is my way of preparing the chicken breast for our chicken salad. So you can smell that there's a difference when you do this, and you have to include some salt at the bottom of the container here. So there you are guys, and then we have to rest this for at least 30 minutes. If you guys in a hurry, you can actually use this product. It's 1,000 Island and fat free. It's already combined, mixed and ready to be poured on your veggies. So if you're throwing a party, I suggest you can also use this product. You can look at your nearest grocery store, and it's really delicious, and it makes your salad dressing more appetizing. Now guys, we're going to slice our fried chicken. This is the chicken breast. So we're just going to slice this. Like this. As you can see, it's already cooked. Some like it medium rare, some like it rare, some like it, but this is what I want, like medium rare. So this is the bite size pieces. Chicken breasts are really good, especially when you are in diet, because it doesn't have much of the fat in it. So most of the people who observes what they eat, especially if they're avoiding too much fatty food, they try to use chicken breast instead because it helps a lot on their nutrition and to their body. So it gives you protein. And yeah, this is our slice chicken now, and we're ready for plating. So this is now my bowl, which I'm going to put our mixed veggies with our sauce. Oops, I dropped it. I want more tomatoes in it. Some people, they include some nuts in it. They put walnuts or even cashew nuts. But it depends on you guys if you want to. If it's available in the market, why not? We can include it in our chicken breast salad. So now we're going to put our chicken at the top. So there you have it, guys. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all, folks, and thank you for watching.